If you're looking to design your email campaigns in Mailchimp with ease, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to design your Mailchimp email using their powerful drag and drop editor, a tool that makes it easier than ever to create visually stunning and effective emails, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. First off, Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is a game changer. It gives you complete control over how your emails look without the need for any coding skills. You can simply drag elements like images, text blocks, and buttons into your email layout. It's fast, easy, and completely intuitive. And the best part? You can see exactly how your email will look in real time as you design it. Next thing, let's talk about choosing the right template. When you first open the editor, you'll have access to a variety of pre-made templates. This is super helpful if you're not sure where to start. Select a template that fits your campaign's goal, whether it's a simple newsletter or a promotional email. Once you've chosen a template, you can customize it to your heart's content, adjusting fonts, colors, and images so it's aligned with your brand style. The fourth thing is adding your content blocks. Mailchimp's editor has blocks for everything you might need: text, images, buttons, and even video. You just drag the block into your email and then drop in your content. Want to add an image? Simply drag the image block and upload your file. You'll find it super easy to move things around to get the perfect layout. Now, let's talk about design customization. You can adjust the padding, spacing, and alignment of your blocks to make sure everything looks neat and professional. If you need to change the background color or add a header image, it's all possible with just a few clicks. This level of flexibility means you can truly make each email your own. Then, there's the preview and test feature. Once you've designed your email, Mailchimp lets you preview how it will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This is critical because emails often look different on phones, and you don't want to risk a bad user experience. Mailchimp lets you check that everything looks great across the board before hitting send. Finally, let's talk about sending and tracking. Once your email looks perfect, Mailchimp makes it easy to send it out to your list. And after it's sent, you can track the performance, open rates, click rates, and other key metrics. This feedback helps you refine your future emails and ensure your campaigns are as effective as possible. And before you go, here's that exclusive offer I promised. If you click the link in the description, you can get started with Mailchimp for free and take advantage of our extended trial. No commitments, just full access to all the features so you can start designing emails that convert. That's all for today. Start designing your emails with Mailchimp's drag and drop editor and make your email marketing work for you. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial from the link below. This could be the tool that takes your email campaigns to the next level.